whenever we're ready, say something witty and funny.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not witty and funny.
Oh, okay. Well.
Love you now.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another portrait session. Today we are with the lovely Breagh again. It's good to have her. Did you see the last video? It was funny, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a thingy right there for you. We're going to do another portrait session and we are at that Toronto studio and we're going to see what we can come up with, and I'm going to be shooting with the Fujifilm X100V. So enjoy the ride and enjoy the BTS, and how do I close this? Like... How do I close this? What do you think I should say?
I have no idea.
God damn it, Jake.
I don't know, just get her done.
So enjoy the ride and get her done. What do you think about this place?
This? I
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah.
It's so cute. I like the hanging chairs too.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get some boho.
Local.
Is that bohemian? Yeah. I've just learned about that like 2 weeks ago.
I heard that term when I was like 13.
Really?
From like little magazines, you know?
Oh.
Photoshoot style.
Didn't know. What does that really mean though? What's bohemian?
I don't know. It's just like all this stuff, like the macrame or whatever that is.
Is it like hippie stuff?
Yeah, hippie. Yeah.
Boho is okay.
Yeah, hippie vibe.
Oh. Boho versus hobo. Just hold it with both arms. Yeah, that one. Yeah, and it just look candid. Just look away. Look to the side over there. There we go. And then can you just move back and forth with the swings? Yeah, just slowly. Gorgeous. Wow. Okay, look here. Just gonna get different shots of you. Oh, that looks good. Hold that. I'm gonna get closer to you.
I like it's hard to hold it. It keeps moving.
No worries. Cool. And yeah, just how is this? Is this the same thing? Oh.
Kind of like a one-sided camera.
Oh. Now let's try this. Wah. Just sit here and then I'm gonna try to get you that way. Yeah, leaning forward, just more. All right, cool. So, yep. Right now, I'm just trying to find a perfect angle, perfect position to shoot Breagh in. Look away, Breagh. Look that way. Yeah. I think the outfit you have on really matches this aesthetic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very cozy. That's good. Look here. Wow. Amazing. Gorgeous. That's how you do it, son. Gorgeous. I'll do that on this side. Trying to get variety, and oh yeah. Oh, we are shooting with the X100V, and we got the Moment Cinebloom Diffusion, 10%, and we're just trying to see if we can make things look very cinematic and filmy, and I think it's working. Right now, we're just gonna try, I'm gonna try to get these leaves in. I'm just trying to get some of the leaves in the foreground and try to frame her up nicely as I can. This is pretty cool. I know I look stupid right now, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I know, like, yeah, like a peeping Tom, like surprise. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. You want to see what we got? So we're just we're shooting on the Portra 400 Fujifilm recipe. Try to get me with the swings, make me look really fun and like very adorable and cute. Danny here, the owner, gave us an idea to turn off all the lights and just have one light just shining down on Breagh right here, just getting some spotlight on her right here. So we're just playing with the shadow and the lighting, which is hella moody, by the way. Can I have you just arching your thing again? That looks pretty cool, yeah. And look here, look at what you do. There we go. That's amazing. Gorgeous. Oh my God.
I know how to love you
All right, thanks so much for coming out, guys, to this behind the scene portrait session with the X100V. Hope you guys enjoy the shot and hope you enjoy the lovely Breagh over here. Do you have anything to say? Any final thoughts again?
No, it was a great shoot in a great studio.
It was a great shoot and a great studio, says Breagh. So we're gonna end it here. I'm gonna leave Bria's Instagram down below. Yeah, because you have one now. That is it for me. Hope you guys enjoy. And special thanks goes out to Jake, the cameraman. Jake, why don't you say hi?
Hello.
Show your face.
It's gonna be zoomed.
Ah, okay.
Adding me in.
Okay, cool. I'll edit Jake's face in. Hope you guys enjoy this behind the scene, and we'll see you in the next video. I love you.
Video.